Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed it, to subscribe this channel, like the video. If you find the channel interesting, you can share with your friends and leave comment in the comment box. In today's video, we'll be learning about the mandal art or the mandala art. In mandala art, the word mandal is taken from Sanskrit, that is mandala, that means the circle, or you can say mandala sometimes also refers as the lotus. So this art generally be depicted in a circular form, and it starts from a center and goes around that. For that we require some simple and very basic supplies that generally be required for the mandala art is a scale, compass, pencils and a black color pen. I prefer that you take the permanent marker for that because it has you can say ink which has a bit shiny alcohol wala ink jo hota that is having a very shiny impact. So generally I do prefer to take this permanent marker and a compact, right. So now let's start with the today's mandala art. There I am opening my compass by 10 centimeters because the paper I am using is 21 centimeter wide because I am using A4 sheet. So maximum I can open up my compass by 10 centimeters so that it will create a circle of 20 centimeter radius. So this, and I'll create a circle. Simply I'll create a circle by keeping this compass in the center about, and this, not a rocket science, very simply you just have to create a smooth circle. Done. Then after that I'll mark the center point of the circle because this is the most important part in the mandala art. This is the center point, right. This is the center of the circle. And now what I'll do, I'll create two radius or the diameter of the circle at any place. It should touch both the sides of circle and the center, and it will divide the circle into two halves. At any angle you can create this. And now what I'll do, I'll divide this circle in 24 equal parts by using this D, and I'll be marking 15 degree on each side. Every time I'll mark 15, 30, 15, 30, 45, all the times that's 60, and so on, right. And the same thing I'll do on the other side of the circle. This is very important part in mandala art when you divide the circle in different parts. Here I am dividing it in 24 equal parts because in mandala art you will see the circle is been divided either in 16, 12, 24, 4 or that kind of. Now what I'll do, I'll just join the creative dots with the center. In general you would see that two points are opposite to each other. If you have taken the right angle, if you have taken the proper angle of 15 degree, so all the circles will be reflective, all the points will be reflective to each other on the other side, right. So we'll join these with the center, don't miss the center anyway, right. This, and I'll just divide the entire circle into 24 equal parts. Like this, and finally this is done. Now you can see this entire circle is been divided into 24 equal parts. Now we can start designing with this particular circle. Now what I'll do, I'll just open up my compass by 1 centimeter and place it in the center. This is, I'm opening it by 1 centimeter, or you may take as per your requirement, and I'll just draw a small circle from the center. This would be the guiding circle for my first design, that is the center design. In center I am going to create a flower with 24 petals. Because the paper has been divided, so we have the two guidelines. Here you can see I am on each part I am taking this, and at this end I am just making a curve. One petal, starting with the same, second petal, third petal, and in the same way I'll create the entire flower. This very simple and very easy, because now we have the guidelines and there is less chance of mistake, isn't it? This, see how beautifully it has been designed, and this is the center of mandala art. Now what we'll do, I'll just highlight the circle which we have drawn with the pencil, and it will give a nice impact to this flower. Wherever you feel a white corner or something, so you can fill it with the marker. See, this structure is, I am feeling just like the Ashok Chakra in the middle of the flag, something it's resembling that. Now yes, this has been completed, right? Here I can see some white, so I just fill these corners with the black color to beautify it. This one layer has been completed, I hope, is of our design. Now we'll work on the second layer. In second layer, where I am making the circle, I'm just making it more defined, the center. This, right? Now let's see the second design, because in the very middle we do use the very simple designs, and as well as the layers will increase and it will come towards the outside, so we'll use some different and difficult designs. Again I'll open up my compass and create a parallel circle which is very near to this first wala circle, and one more circle we will create after that, because this will be the base and it will be parallel to the first one. Once it has been created, you can feel the clear demarcation between two circles. This is done, and now what we'll do, we'll create one more circle which is about 1 centimeter wider, or 3/4 centimeter wider, you can see this, and like this, right? Now what we'll do, we'll create a line on each and every mark of our 24 wala line, and we'll draw some lines in between, 1 or 2 lines in between, as per your convenience. See, these are the main mark lines. Now see these guidelines how they are helping us, and I'll take one more line in between of this, so entirely it would be approximately 48 lines inside the entire, and it will create an impact. And I will just highlight the circle which we have taken with the help of pencil. See, and parallel to this we'll take one more circle which is very near to this, just a demarcation of designs, right? Now we'll start with the artistic design. These are the two simple designs we have done with. Now we'll start with the some artistic designs with this. Here I am highlighting this circle by using a wavy line and filling it very thin, you can say, difference we are taking from this. This is a very good impact that you can create between two circles. It will give the darkness to your design, it will give richness to your design, and it will create a very clear demarcation circle from your design. Now we'll take one more circle near to this demarcation and one big circle in which we can design something. What we'll do, on every line I'll create an Uzli pattern, this, and a dot inside, an Uzli on the guideline and a dot, an Uzli on the guideline and a dot, and similarly we'll create all 24 designs in that, like this. That's it, done. Now what we'll do, we will fill the gaps. I'll just fill these gaps with lines, 3-4 lines as per your convenience. Here I am taking 4 lines, one is for the outer circle, one is for the inner circle, and 4 lines in between, like this. If you want to try this, you can try this with different colors, but the beauty that comes with the black and white in mandala art is remarkable. It's undefeatable. You can see, because it comes very beautifully when you draw this with the black and white, though with the black because paper is white. Or you can try this sometime on different pastel sheets, you will get very good impact in that way also. Even one of my students tried this with the metallic pens. It was as beautiful as it may be. On the black color, she did this with the metallic colors. It has given a very beautiful impact. One more circle of 1 centimeter I have taken. Mark the marcation and one more circle. And what I am doing here, I am making a impact of lotus. Simply I am making it. See, a curve touches the circle and the guideline, and the another curve opposite to this give the petal shape, and a V mark kind of and will fill this with the black. These are touching each other, and all the ways will create 24 flowers, small lotus, like this. Once I have created it separately, now I am creating it in a group. So even you can use a wavy line like this, or you can create a one by one. Both the ways can be applicable. Any geometrical designs you can create in mandala art. There is no limitations at all. That's up to your creativity. Technicality is the symmetry, and Creativity, it's yours. You may create your own design, you may create some different designs. These are some basic patterns, and if it is required, so again we'll make one video and in which I'll just explain some patterns, not the design, not the arrangement of this design, but the patterns we can discuss in that video. If you want to learn more about mandal art, please comment in the comment box. I'll create some more videos on that and will enjoy this. This is, see, this is a layer of flowers, and now what we'll do, from the one middle of one flower to another flower, we'll create a curve like this. See, that's why I've taken two circles. One I have left blank for this design. This layer will be very beautiful once it has been completed. One more parallel line will take from this, very small, very near to the first line. A small distance would be there, and once it has been completed, we can fill the area which is between the second line and the circle like this. See, I'm just giving you the idea, otherwise it's all about your creativity. See, it has been designed. Now I am creating three lines, one big, two small, middle line is bigger, then two lines are smaller, to fill the gaps between this curve and the flower, lotus flower. Simple lines I am taking. Middle line is bigger and the side lines are little bit smaller than of the middle line. See, this is done. Now what we'll do, we'll create one more circle, but of course after every design we have to create a circle. Again by 1 centimeter wider, and now I am creating zigzag line in two guidelines. See how I am doing this. At the middle I am creating a zigzag. Complete this, and what we'll do with after that, I'll create the impact of zigzag, a small triangle on the both side which is filled. Mandal art is something which is a time taking process, you can say. It tests your patience, it tests your creativity, it tests your hard work, but the result is very good. Once it has been completed, you will be happy with your work, I'm sure. You try once at your home. This one side I am creating the triangles, and for your taste and on the another side also will create the triangles like this. Because this is a very lengthy process, I'll do something in front of you, and some other designs I'll create on my own, and I'll just show you this, and you can fill the entire thing. And let me switch off the camera, I'll come up with the fill design. Just a minute. After completing, it will look like this. Now we'll take one more circle, two more layers I'll just create, because no more space we have with us. I'm just dividing the space into two, about equal. because here I'm giving the shape of lotus to this design. So for very first, what I'll do, I'll just create a lotus petal by using this guideline till center, from corner till center, from corner till center, from center to corner again, overlapping I am doing of each petal to the center and to the till the line. This, like this I'll just create the entire circle. So let us finish this quickly. Now you can see this is taking the shape of a lotus, the outer one. One more layer I'll create for the lotus petal. 24 petals we have to create with this. Delicately we'll be creating this design because this is again the main part of the art. All the times again I am creating one parallel line to the outer of the lotus just to demarcate, because the designs in mandala art are very thickly woven, so all the time we have to give the demarcation. So this is the main important part, because otherwise it will be very messy. So every time when you are giving any thickly woven design, so there need to be demarcation between two designs, then only you'll be able to see the beauty of design. And this is all. Now what I'll do, I'll create a design on alternate petal. This one small circle, one layer, two layer, see, and at the corner again same, one layer, two layer, and at the center again one layer, where two designs are meeting, and at that point I am making the next design. It will look like just like a sails on the fish body, the skin of fish kind of design it would be, like this. Again at the meeting point of the two designs, two curves, a black curve and two layers, and will fill the entire petal like this only. And we will create this alternatively on every second alternate petal. Will create this petal is been completed. You can see how beautifully it has been designed. Now what I'll do, I'll again make the designs on the alternate petal. This is a lengthy process, so I'll just create one or two petals in front of you. I'll just speed up the camera, and then I'll just switch off the camera and I'll create and come back. See this, like this you have to complete this. Now design on the rest petals. Two layers parallel to the petal, one layer, two layer at one side, two layer on the other side, till the end, from one point to another point, then 2 layers on the first side. It will give you look of pleats, kind of hair pleats, the choti, it will look like that. Again, on every alternate I'll be doing the same process. 2 layers at one side, 2 layers on the other side, and then first side, and then alternatively will do this. It will create a very beautiful impact of a design, and this design is generally been seen in the old mandal arts. Like this. Now I'll just switch off the camera and complete this and come back again. So now start with the next layer. Here I am making 3 layers, one at the middle of every petal, one is black, second layer and third layer, like this. 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layers. It will give the fullness to the design, like this. I'll complete the entire circle. Then we'll start with the next layer. Now let's start with the next layer. I said I'll create the two petals, two level of petals of lotus. Same I'm doing here. From the middle of this design which we have created right now to the center line, I'm making a this curve, see, which is bent at the one bottom. Same I'll do here. Like this. And at the top I'll create one bigger circle, one smaller, and one oozly, like this. And inside of this particular design, because this is very vacant kind of a design, so what I'll do, I'll just create an inner shape of the same shape, which is the outer, and cover it with the raised kind of a design. This is again a very common design in mandal art, the rays sort of a design. The rays are coming from one corner, one center, and spreading towards the outer. Distance may be any. You may create the closer rays, depends upon the thickness, the tip of your pen. Like this. And on the whole design we have to create this. Quickly just see, I'll create 1 or 2 3 for you on a quick reference. Like this, and in that way we'll complete the entire design, and after completion it will look like this. Isn't it beautiful? Just zoom it, see every layer which we have designed from the center to the outside. This. So this is a lesson about mandala art. You can create your own either with the colored pen or the black and white, or with the metallic pen on the black sheet. It will give the same beautiful impact. So soon we'll come up with the new topic. Till then, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video, friends. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.